setšhaba se fellwa ke maikutlo re le ANC manyofonyofo ka sekgowa re ke corruption e re utlwang le re bonang ha e etsala e etsuwa le ke motho a apereng t-shirt ya ANC re re ha di baye mo baneng teng ene wa sebetsa Ramaphosa wa tseba batho ba utswitse tšhelete Thembisa ba bolaya batho mo Ramaphosa o kentse SIU ha o tshwariwe motho ke tlontlon le bona re ha tshwarwe mashodwa amang a ona a raruna mo a para di t-shirt tsa ANC a ona le shodu la ANC le shodu ki lele apere t-shirt le pizza ANC a le tshwarwe ke bona batho ba lla he Mukhwanazi u buile Ramaphosa have acted wa bua mo eno santsane o tlo bua ska bala tsoa motho le motho a ikemele ka katiba ya o mmoni Bheki o na eme ka katiba ya mo a tlalosa se a khonang go se tlalosa bana bitswe ke batho ba parlamente mo le bontate Mkhulu le rona la re ka bitswa ha ona bothata mara o ka fumanea qetellong ya ditaba ore motho o iketseditse tsa hae re le ANC hata kosile aye ubani ANC ya re ruma o etsa manyofonyofo batho ba iketsetsa ka ntle ka yole ke batla gore o veteran ya ka mo ntate Snuki o etsa mosebetsi o motle hampe o tswile matsoho mane Gauteng ba na le ntho ba e bitsa ka gore ke bomb squad comrades bomb squad ye etsa service delivery mo Joburg le a bona mo Joburg ziyajika izinto into di a loka yole ke batla o le khuthatsa I want to say to you we must never cry like there is no tomorrow. Our organization, the ANC, must be led to a direction where people will believe in this organization. Under that administration, the ANC managed to address the issue of HIV and AIDS in a big way under Zuma. But from there, everything else was ravished. Life expectancy increased. And I know now I must take this thing out because Zuma people switch it off.
Grootman SG Mbalula la rasetsa bafowethu letsa lerata bafowethu ne bagumsindo yele makaras ye makaras Grootman SG Fikile Mbalula yele makaras ayo ntwe we buanye ya hore ANC cannot be associated with corrupt people. President Yalona in ali 3 IDs. President Yalo, your president has 3 IDs. Ayo ntwe we bua. You are making noise, Grootman Laka. Hauna nikso ka bua nke a tseba ro mna ate ka mona mara ayo taba hao. Ayo taba lona bafowethu. Hey, ANC cannot be associated with corrupt people. President Anal ID 3. ha qale mo president ya hao ba thotse tšhelete ka tlasa mattress bo couch taba tsa teng ke classified ke Senzo Mqulu e le yena le nkgang le futha nthong tse ngata. So don't say how good about Cyril is fighting corruption. How corruption is Cyril is fighting, President Cyril is fighting. Ayo corruption I he's part of it. He's in the middle of it. And when all is said and done, this president is going to jail. Watch this space. He is going. Oh, why a tronco? Why a president wa luna unana wa ANC and the country? Why? Nah, he's not my president. I disowned that guy a long time ago. Actually, I disowned him. Kana kwa COVID. Haka kwa la country. When he was told that 500 billion is going to be looted, he stood in front of the nation and said that there's no one who's going to loot 500 billion. If I know 500 billion, high on this thing, there is nothing that you people are going to tell us. For me to vote for the ANC, self-hate. It's self-hate. Especially after undeniable Madlanga Commission revelations and ad hoc commission revelations. How could no, hey, you know, you must put pressure on Panyaza. We don't have time to put pressure on Panyaza. You people have failed. I get to be what's about Skolong talk how failing, how faithfully F. I get to be great Alonar Kaifa. If there was a grade that we could give you, even G, it's an understatement. There is no greater Kaifang ANC to show the failure at this political party in terms of governing and to take South Africa forward. Every time when I listen to you when you speak Grotma Laga, Fikile Bambu, Grotma. You go address Grotman as G. Warasa. As a matter of fact, Warbon Sahore, you are incapable of telling the truth. You cannot be a leader alone who can take this country forward because Ubuamaka Olishano Ubuamaka Castrid Lima Kaman and Makaluna Antoma are detrimental, are lethal because Mapilo Makaluna and the consequence on the lives of many South Africans. Your lies are consequential. No. When you are, you cannot wear an ANC t-shirt and be a member of it. How you on to you? The only way, what's about the doctor name? And I think now black people are familiar with what cancer is. Now it's not on to but anyway, the best way to deal with cancer is chemotherapy. We don't ANC cancer. You are a disability as Batwabats in this country. Part of the problem is this problem in ageism. You are the leaders that still want to dictate the future of this country, like Bontate Thabo Mbeki. The denialist of note. Ageism is a problem. Not only South Africa and Africa, but I'm speaking for my country. It is a problem, Zimbabwe. It is a problem across the continent. Ageism. You, black leaders, you are a handicap, Yaron. You are truly a handicap. You dictate futures of which you will not be able to see them. You are not going to live long enough to see the futures that you want to dictate. Enough with that kind of thinking. Enough. The best way to deal with ANC is to deal with it. How to me cancer monto sifubeng whatever and then there is no way of saying mama the doctor do the best high mobile pillar ko re kgaole letswele re kgaole letswele because ha re ka zama ho etsa chemotherapy re tlo etsa be worse re kgaola letswele lena ke etsa example a very extreme ho bontsha hore that's what we need to do re kgaola letswele lena ho thweng ke ANC I mean this cancer e ka ga letswele la rona as a country kgaola re kgona ho phela as a country cancer e tlamehile e tlosuwe you cut it off so that you can survive as a human being more cancer e tholahalang teng you are our handicap
Ufikile Mbalula nimbonile yini ekhuluma lapha nama-member e-ANC angazi bekwani lo yamhlangano kodwa uthe mayesaxoxa nawo waze wafika epointini la kumphoqa khona ukuthi akhulume ngezinto ezinhle ezenzeka ngesikhathi sika baba uZuma esewupresident we-ANC nowe-country. Uthe mayeseqala ekhuluma ngama-achievements noma izinto ezenziwa uPresident Zuma sewumongameli wasuswisha off imic wathi angifuni abantu baZuma bangizwe ngikhuluma kanje. Uyi-interpreta kanjani wena lento eyenziwe uMbalula ukuthi akhulume izinto ezithile bese mase ezokhuluma izinto ezinhle ngoZuma aswitch i-microphone? Yini eyenza abantu abafana noMbalula ukuthi uma bezokhuluma izinto ezinegative ngoZuma bakhulume openly bangavala ama-mic, kodwa mangabe sekufuna akhulume izinto ezinhle ngoZuma aswitch off i-mic? How can you interpret that? Kusho ukuthini lokho ngendlela obuka ngayo wena? Ngoba mina njengomfoka Mkhonza ngibona lokhu kusho ukuthi oMbalula kahle kahle amaxoki, ama-politicians angamaxoki, even though kunezinto azaziyo ngoZuma akufanele lezo zinto uma zizinhle abantu bazazi ngoZuma, kufanele bazi only those ezi-negative. Ungayidefine uthini-ke ipolitiki enjengale? Mina ngithi ipolitiki yobuxoki le. You cannot trust abantu abafana noMbalula. You cannot trust them because they use information ethile ngoZuma on their own benefit. Bathi ipolitiki ke leyo. But mina ngithi ipolitiki yobuxoki. Wena uthi ipolitiki yani le eyenziwa uMbalula? Ngiyabonga ke siyidiscuss.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. U-SG we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uqasule abantu abaningi ngemva kwestatement sakhe lesend. I think mhlambe laphana beku-conference or i-meeting yebantu be-ANC. I'm not quite sure about that, but ukhulume njena indzaba yokuthi ku-ANC akekho umuntu lo-corrupt, ku-ANC nanjena kumane kube khona abantu labagqoka ama-t-shirts batende ngazuthi they are ANC members ngibo laba corrupt. Washo nokusho ukuthi uRamaphosa ma corrupt nje umake sure ukuthi kufanele kufakwe bozankosi, and people saying ukuthi hayibo kanjani ungathi yena loyo Ramaphosa loyo anema ID number la 3. Why are you lying? Nangalesikana khuluma futhi ngaJacob Zuma, ukhuluma ngaJacob Zuma, ukhuluma ngaJacob Zuma, sekufana khuluma into letinhle kaJacob Zuma wakhipha imic, and people are saying ukuthi kungani mase ukhuluma into letinhle letendwe nguJacob Zuma ukhipha imic, but letibi yakhona tikhuluma ukuthi tiviwe wonke umuntu. So people are just saying ukuthi you were just saying a lot of things letinga make sense, but ukhuluma njena atinto lebetitibhedzela uyabhedza nonke ni corrupt futhi nonke nini bantu be-ANC. Stop defending uRamaphosa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.